Gateway Bookbinding Systems, in business since 1965, is recognized within the industry as the plastic spiral experts. The equipment that Gateway builds is designed to bring you user-friendly productivity and flexibility. It is important to Gateway that they offer coil binding solutions for all levels of production requirements. For those customers doing only a couple hundred books per month, or those who need to find a solution for the very thick books, Gateway's small machine equipment lineup delivers. Gateway's PBS 400 industrial roller inserter, an easy-to-use dual roller inserter within a rugged steel frame. The pre-punched book is positioned on the front alignment channel to curve the book. The operator starts the pre-cut coil into the first few punch holes, then makes contact with the drive rollers to send the coil down the length of the book's binding edge. Handheld crimping pliers can be used to finish the coil ends or pair the PBS 400 with Gateway's TCB machine for dual-sided crimping. Next up, Gateway's PBS 2300 all-in-one roller inserter and single-sided crimper. This machine is the PBS 400 roller inserter with the addition of a built-in single-sided crimping head. This built-in crimp head eliminates the need for handheld crimping pliers. Once again, the pre-punched book is positioned on the front alignment channel to curve the book. The operators start the pre-cut coil into the first few punch holes, then makes contact with the drive rollers to send the coil down the length of the book's binding edge. Once the coil has been inserted, the operator crimps one side, flips the book, and crimps the other side with foot pedal actuation. No tools are required for basic setup and changeover on this machine. Simple dial adjustment allows the operator to set the crimp head for the diameter of coil being used, offering consistent coil crimping. Gateway's PBS 1500 industrial belt drive coil inserter. Designed for long-term commercial use, it's been around for decades. The PBS 1500 stands out as the only coil inserter capable of handling a tiny 2x2-inch notepad to an oversized 2x2-foot storybook. The PBS 1500 is the only machine that works with longer 36-inch lengths of coil, reducing the need for frequent stops to reload coil. The operator loads a length of coil onto the mandrel. The operator threads the coil into the first few punch holes, stepping on the foot pedal to engage the drive belt. Crimping pliers are used to cut and crimp the coil ends, with the remaining length of coil ready and in position to handle the next couple of books. The PBS 1500 is also one of just two machines manufactured by Gateway that can handle coil diameters up to 50 millimeters. The machine's design enables the operator to open a thick book in half, helping the coil drive through. A wider pitch like a 3-to-1 with an oversized oval punch hole is always recommended when doing thicker books. The PBS 1500 is one of Gateway's earliest designs of coil inserter. It is still on the market today because of its full range of capabilities. Gateway's tabletop option for thick book coil insertion is the PBS 1650 TKB Total Coil Binder. This machine can handle both thin and thicker books. The PBS 1650 TKB offers two methods of coil insertion. Simple dual drive rollers on one side to handle coil diameters from 6 to 15 millimeters, with spine former book placement on the left side to handle the thicker books. For the thinner books, the operator starts the pre-cut coil into the first few punch holes and makes contact with the drive rollers to send the coil down the book's binding edge. For thicker books, the operator positions the book on the spine formers, curving the book to follow the curve of the coil. The coil is started into the first couple of punch holes, with those dual drive rollers now driving the coil into the positioned thicker book. Opening the thicker book in half aids the operator with thicker book coil insertion. A wider pitch, like a 3-to-1 with an oversized oval punch hole, is always recommended when doing thicker books. Handheld crimping pliers can be used to finish the coil ends or pair the PBS 1650 TKB with Gateway's TCB machine for dual-sided crimping. The last machine in Gateway Bookbinding's small machine lineup is their incredibly versatile PBS 2600 Total Cut and Bend. The PBS 2600 TCB is not a coil inserting machine. This machine is a dual-sided coil crimping unit. It can be paired with any of the coil inserters we've just shown you to offer fast and consistent dual-sided coil crimping and finishing. Once your books are bound, the TCB machine efficiently cuts and bends both coil ends simultaneously with a single step on the foot pedal. Its patented design can handle coil diameters from 6 mm up to 50 mm with the same crimp heads, unlike other machines on the market. The TCB is available as an electric or pneumatic machine. The pneumatic version offers faster cycling but requires compressed air, while the electric version provides versatility without this requirement. Gateway's PBS 2600 TCB machine can handle size changeovers without the need for any tools. Simple dial adjustments allow for quick setup, cutting and crimping of coil diameters ranging from 6 mm through 50 mm, using simple thumb screw adjustments. Setup guidance is provided with easy-to-follow decals. Another important feature of the PBS 2600 is that a longer crimp is achieved as the coil diameter increases, reducing the risk of the coil unwinding from the larger punch holes recommended for thicker books. The removable offcut tray makes accumulation and disposal of offcuts neat and tidy. Gateway's PBS 2600 Total Cut and Bend machine can be paired up with any of Gateway's coil inserters to give you the quick and consistent coil finishing that is paramount on today's production floor. Gateway Bookbinding Systems group of simple, quick, and efficient coil inserting and finishing machines for the small to mid-volume production environments. Easy to use, easy to change over quality equipment that is built to last. Talk to the plastic spiral experts at Gateway Bookbinding to determine which of these machines is right for you.